Hey friends, we're here in the garage today because I want to show you a new product we just got. It's going to be for the adventure van, but this could be really great for like emergency situations here at the house or at the cabin. It's kind of a cool product. Let's take a closer look. So this is the Xynover versatile camping lantern. It's kind of what they advertise it for. But again, I'm going to show you why this could be a really great solution for multiple places where you can store these. Now they come in these packs of 4. It's 4 individual lanterns that look like this. I'm going to show you the good, the bad, the ugly, and the thing that actually impressed me about this little package. And then we'll give it a thorough review. Now, obviously this is the coolest feature. This thing just pops right open to reveal that lantern feature. Now, I'm gonna start with the bad on this one, the thing that I don't like. This basically feels, there's no other way to say it, it just feels kind of cheap. It's very lightweight. You can tell this is one of those products that's kind of produced in mass, and then this company just kind of private labeled it. So again, there's not a ton of durability, I would say, in this plastic. So don't go getting your hopes up this is going to be a piece of gear that's going to stay around for years and years and take all sorts of abuse. Now, that being said, this is super budget friendly. Now, here's the thing. I've seen the basic version of this lantern at like places like Harbor Freight and stuff for dirt cheap, but it did not include a lot of these extra features. So let me show you why I think it's actually worth upgrading to this pack that you can purchase from Amazon. Now, the biggest feature is going to be your solar panel on top, which gives you the solar power in emergency situations to charge this thing back up. Now, this is not powerful. It's a small little guy, and so you're going to need direct sun for at least 10 to 12 hours is what they advertised in order to get a full charge on this thing. But you can see that in the event you do have some power, you can recharge this thing using this USB-C port. Again, they advertise in between 2.5 to 3 hours. Now, the other option for powering actually is included underneath here. You can actually put in some AA batteries. You can see that you need 3 of them to operate that way. So again, if you just needed some light and you had some batteries, that's a nice backup. Now again, the ones I saw at the cheap tool shop, basically, they only had the battery operation on the bottom. They didn't have the solar panel or the rechargeable USB. So that, again, makes this a much better product over those super cheap ones. So again, you have that hook on the bottom that you can pull out. You could actually throw this onto a cabinet or something like that, and then that light would pull right out. You also have, again, these hooks, which can become, I guess you could use it this way if you had like a carabiner, or again, just holding this and walking along on a trail. That actually makes that kind of nice as a handle. And then lastly, this is such a nice little extra. You can just stick it on anything metallic, and as you can see, you could hang it in an area that needed some more light. That's pretty cool. Now, the one thing this does not have is any kind of an indicator that I can see. There's a little light right here. I'm guessing that will light up indicating charge, but this doesn't have anything that gives you like a percentage remaining on your light. Okay, so obviously the big question is how bright are these? Well, let's go ahead and turn the lights off here in the garage and get a peek. Okay, there we go. So you can see, again, it's just enough illumination to provide some close space light here. This isn't going to be a gigantic floodlight, but again, inside of a tent or inside of our van, this is going to be great. Now, one of the other things I actually don't like is the brightness level on this. It's just that really harsh, bright white light. It would have been nice if there was a setting that you could have flipped so that this would have been a little softer, more of a yellow light. That's a little more relaxing when, again, you're kind of winding down for the evening. So there you go, friends. That is the Xynover emergency camping lantern. Again, we're gonna have probably one here at the house for emergencies, one in our adventure van, one that we can take out to the cabin, maybe 2 or 3 out there even. It's just a very budget-friendly way of getting a resource like this that again can charge with the sun in case electricity was out for a long period of time. Cool little resource to have, again, around your various areas of living, just in case. Hopefully that review has helped. If you'd like to grab a pack of these or even just one, you can find them right here on Amazon. In fact, we'll put some links in the description box below where you can pick them up. And stay tuned, we do a ton of these little product review videos for adventures and for other situations, DIY videos to make your life just a little bit easier. Thanks for watching, friends. We'll see you again on the next one.